So in the past 3 days, we've had a council induction workshop for council to induct new members of council. On the first day, we also visited the Alice campus. Our intention really was to interact with our stakeholders. We invited the ISRC, we invited the institutional forum and management to be part of a walkabout. Some members of council are new and they do not know the campus, and also they also wanted to see it for themselves, the buildings that were burned during the riots, and also the state of readiness of the university for the academic year 2026. We also visited the student residences, and of course the students were also part of the tour itself, showing us around, some of the issues that they have a problem with. On day 2, it started off with a higher education expert taking us through the Higher Education Act. We also looked at the council business, particularly the operational efficiency. So the question really we're asking ourselves, how do we ensure that council is efficient and actually effective? And then we also, importantly, elected the chairpersons of council committees. We had an opportunity to welcome 7 new council members. That is a third of our council. And 4 of those members are ministerial appointees, and with 2 SRC representatives and 1 non-academic staff representative. We really want to create an environment that enables robust kind of debates, at council, so that when we take decisions, we at least know that, a number of diverse views, were part of the formulation of those kind of resolutions and decisions. Our immediate priorities, I think the first one is that to ensure that the university is ready for the academic year 2026. The other priority is the recruitment of the new VC. So the current VC's term is coming to an end, and we are hoping that by the 1st of November, we will have completed the process of the recruitment of a new VC. The current strategic plan is coming to an end this year. And then we've started the process of development of the new strategic plan. One other thing I may want to add is we have embarked on a process of stakeholder engagement. We've identified stakeholders, internal stakeholders, we've identified external stakeholders to engage so that we, one, introduce ourselves as a new leadership, and also take our stakeholders with us in terms of the plans that we have for the university. We've met with the SRC as council, we've met with the University Convocation, we've met with the Institutional Forum. We are going to be meeting with the Premier and his EXCO. We are going to be meeting with the municipalities, the executive mayors of the municipalities. Really the message that we want to send, is that the university belongs to all of us. And it is very important that all of us own the university. We are governing the university, we're the highest decision-making body of the university, but we appreciate the views, perspectives, and insights of our stakeholders. Hence, we've embarked on a journey to engage our stakeholders. The message that we want to send to our university community is that this council is here for the university, and it's here to support management, but in supporting management, we want to ensure accountability. The University of Fort Hare is a very resilient university. So we want to just assure the university community and the students that the university is ready for the academic year 2026, and the council is ready for academic year 2026.